Within another year, sixth form could become mandatory, meaning children, or rather students, will have to remain in school until age 18. Education Minister Favour Williams gave an update on the plan at the Jamaica Teachers Association annual conference held this week in Trelawney. Krista Campbell has the details.
One step closer to becoming reality. Education Minister Favour Williams says Cabinet has approved that
all our high schools will be required to have sixth forms.
It's part of efforts to have a formalized sixth form program at all high schools. And in addition to the traditional CAPE subjects,
we also want to have a general program for those students who unfortunately didn't get any CSEC. But at 16 years of age, they are too young to be going out into the work world. They don't have the experience. They don't have the maturity.
But the education minister says there's an added bonus.
Too many of our students, when they leave high school, are just wandering around, underengaged, on their way to becoming unattached with the education system, 1 foot away to being attached with gangs.
Now the formal sixth form program will begin this school year, and
by the next school year, sixth form will be compulsory. So our students will be at school until at least age 18.
Now there's already limited classroom spaces in many high schools and the need for even more space to allow for physical distancing as per the COVID protocols. So the Education Ministry says it has partnered with tertiary institutions to create the additional space for the sixth form program.
Where our high schools are not able to accommodate physically the students on the campus, these students will attend their sixth form program on the tertiary campuses that are in close proximity with these high schools.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.